I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to find your transaction history on the Capital One app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Launch the Capital One app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once you're logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of your accounts. Step 3. Select your account. Choose the specific account for which you want to view the transaction history. This could be a credit card or bank account. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting your account, scroll down to find the transaction history section. Tap on it to view all your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter transactions optional. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can filter by date or transaction type. Just be aware that if you set a filter, you might miss some recent transactions if the date range is too narrow. Now you should be able to easily check your transaction history on the Capital One app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.